Okay. So we're gonna feed Mr. Corbin here. Hello, Corbin. Are you hungry? Oh, you're famished. Yes. So baby birds typically need to eat like a lot. A lot. And as they get older, their metabolism slows down. This is kind of just what I'm learning through observation. So when I first got him, I was feeding him probably every half hour, because he was kind of a fledgling. And now it's significantly less, and he's learning how to feed himself. Yeah, aren't you? Aren't you, Corbin? Be sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, we're going to be doing some traveling coming up, so...